Hi everyone. So coming to the next part. Okay, just a minute. Yes. Okay. That is the something actually that is not important for your syllabus. That is extra studies. If you are interested, then you can read. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask also. Clear? That is your extra study. Oh, okay. So I will not discuss, but still, if you have any doubt, you can definitely ask me. Then I will help you. So coming to the main point, that means mass. Again, in this part, we will cover the mass and the weight. Clear these two. First one is mass and the second one is weight. Clear? The quantity, what is mass? Clear? The quantity of matter. This point is very, very, very important. The quantity of matter. The quantity of matter, content. ঠিক আছে? The quantity of matter contented in a body is called its mass. তাহলে mass কাকে বলে? What is mass? The quantity of matter, that is very very important. The quantity of matter contented in a body, clear, content in a body is called its mass. Clear? Few characteristics of mass is given below, sorry, are given below. Now just listen, just a minute. Yes. First point, mass is a scalar quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity. Clear? So masses of bodies are added algebraically. What is the meaning of this? Masses of bodies are added algebraically. That means 5 kg and 2 kg. Clear? If you want to add, just simply 5 plus 2, 5 kg plus 2 kg, that means 7 kg. Clear? 3 kg plus 5 kg, 8 kg. Just simple algebra you can add this. Clear? Due to scalar quantity. Next point, the mass of a body is always positive quantity. The mass of a body is always positive quantity. Clear? It never be negative. It never be negative or zero. So কোনো বস্তুর মাস কখনো নেগেটিভ or জিরো হতে পারে না। Clear? The mass of the body will be always positive. Clear? If the mass of the body is zero, in that particular case, the body is not will not exist. Clear? So zero mass, it is not possible. Clear? Coming to the next, mass of a body is not affected by the presence of the other bodies. That is very important. দেখো কি হবে, ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড, ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড তোমরা সবাই কম বেশি জানো। ক্লিয়ার? ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড মিন্স হোয়াট ইজ ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড? সিম্পলি ম্যাগনেট তো সবাই দেখেছো, চুম্বক তো সবাই দেখেছো। ক্লিয়ার? চুম্বককে যদি কোথাও রেখে দাও, তার মধ্যে যদি তার ফিল্ডের মধ্যে যদি কোনো অ্যানাদার কোনো একটা বডি লেটস সে যেটা ম্যাগনেটকে অ্যাট্রাক্ট করে, লেটস সে একটা আয়রন বডিকে তুমি নিয়ে আসো, কি হবে? ওই বডিটা কি করবে? অ্যাট্রাক্ট করবে। ক্লিয়ার? দ্যাট বডি উইল অ্যাট্রাক্ট। ক্লিয়ার? অর্থাৎ ম্যাগনেট উইল অ্যাট্রাক্ট দ্যাট বডি। ম্যাগনেট কি করবে? অ্যাট্রাক্ট করবে। বাট তাহলে কি অ্যাফেক্ট করছে? দ্যাট মিন্স অ্যাফেক্টেড। ক্লিয়ার? ডিউ টু ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড অ্যাফেক্ট করছে। বাট ইন দ্য কেস অফ মাস, ক্লিয়ার, মাসের ক্ষেত্রে, ইন দ্য কেস অফ mass of a body is not affected. Here mass of a body is not affected. Clear? Mass of a body is not affected by the presence of other bodies. Clear? অন্য বডিকে কোনোভাবে প্রভাবিত করে না। I hope it is clear. Now coming to the next point, that is a little bit different concept. Mass of a body is constant quantity, clear, according to Newtonian mechanics. এটা কিন্তু মাথায় রাখবে। According to Newtonian mechanics, mass of a body is always constant, মানে কি 5 kg তো 5 kg, clear, whatever তুমি যেখানে নিয়ে যাও না কেন, the mass will be always 5 kg, clear. But according to Newton, according to relativistic constant concept, that means according to Einstein's relativity, the value of mass is not constant, clear, the value of mass is not constant, এটা মাথায় রাখো। Actually there is a formula, m equal to m0 by root over b square minus c square. So that is a difficult concept, but that is not in your syllabus also. I'm just telling just only briefly. The mass of the body is constant according to Newtonian mechanics, but according to Newton's laws of according to relativistic concept, that means according to Einstein, the mass of the body can vary, clear. Now mass of a body is measured by using physical balance. Mass of a body is measured by using physical balance, and in the point number 6, SI unit of the mass is kilogram. You know, clear, I hope you know this. Now coming to the next, weight. What is weight? Weight টা কি জিনিস? That is the mathematical form of weight. W equal to m into g, clear, W equal to m into g. So the force with which a body is attracted towards the center, the force with which a body is attracted towards the center of the earth is called its weight, clear. অর্থাৎ কি ব্যাপারটা, না একটা বডি আর্থের সেন্টারের দিকে যে অ্যাট্রাক্ট হচ্ছে, clear, the value of force, that is called weight, clear. So the unit of the force will be the unit of the so the unit of the weight will be the unit of the force, clear, that is one kind of force na. The weight of a body, the weight of a body having mass m, clear, given by W equal to m into g, clear. Again in the previous, you know, the value of the g can vary, maybe the value of the g also 0 also, clear, where at the center of the earth, kendra earth center, in that particular point the value of the weight will be 0, clear, এটা তুমি জানো নিশ্চয়ই। Okay, now where g is the acceleration due to gravity of the earth, I hope it is clear. Now some features. The weight of a body is a vector quantity, why is it vector? Can vector? Because here g is a vector quantity, acceleration is a vector quantity, that's why weight also a vector quantity. Again in the case of mass is a scalar quantity, that is the difference between weight and mass, clear, first difference. And in the second point, and is always directed towards the center of the earth, clear, and is always directed towards the center of the earth, বোঝা গেল কথাটা, অর্থাৎ আর্থের সেন্টারের দিকে ওয়েটের direction, clear. Now coming to the next point, the weight of the body varies from place to place, one place to another, the weight of the body can vary, that is its value is different at the different places, clear. একটা প্লেস থেকে another place এ গেলে ভ্যালু কি হবে, ডিফারেন্ট হবে, why? Because due to the change of g, clear. Okay, now coming to the next point, the weight of a body, clear, the weight of a body, এখানে একটা important, just you can read this, the weight of a body on the moon, the weight of a body on the moon on the moon is one sixth of that of the earth. মানে আর্থে যে কোনো একটা বডির যা ওয়েট হবে মুনে তার ওয়েটটা কত হবে 1/6 হবে। মানে সিম্পলি বললে যদি কোনো একটা বডির ওয়েট আর্থে যদি 6 হয় 6 যদি হয় ক্লিয়ার 6 দ্যাট মিন্স 6 নিউটন মুনে কত হবে 1 নিউটন ক্লিয়ার বাট মাস উইল বি অলওয়েজ সেম লেটস সে ওই বডির ধরো মাস হচ্ছে আর্থে 5 কেজি মুনেও কি হবে the value will be same that means mass will be 5 kg but weight can vary due to why due to the variation of acceleration due to gravity clear okay the weight of a body is measured that is the important next point আচ্ছা এখানে দেখো point number 3 the weight of a body at the center of the earth is 0 clear the weight of a body at the center of a earth is 0 why 0 because the value of g is 0 clear but here there is no concept that means the case of mass there is no concept because that means the mass will not be 0 clear mass is always positive value clear that is the difference now coming to the next weight of a body is measured by spring balance weight of a body is measured by spring balance and in the case of mass that is simple balance clear that is simple balance or physical balance clear physical balance or simple balance আমরা কি করতাম weight mass measure করতাম in the case of spring balance কি করি we measure the weight a digital balance is also measured clear weight of a body or a digital balance কে আমরা কি করতে পারি weight measure করতে পারি clear that is now the SI unit of the weight is Newton definitely why Newton because mg means F equal to ma relation and F that is the force so the unit of the force will be the unit of the weight clear that's why the SI unit of the weight is Newton clear the commonly used unit of weight is kgf or 1 kg weight clear 1 kgf or 1 kg weight equal to 9.8 Newton clear 9.8 Newton just listen 9.8 Newton how this is very easy W equal to m into g here the value of m is 1 that the value of m is 1 that means 1 kg clear again the value of g is 9.8 value of g is 9.8 meter per second square so if you multiply then you will get 9.8 kg meter per second square so kg meter per second square means Newton that's why here 9.8 Newton clear or not I hope it is clear okay now there is a difference between weight and mass nothing special that is very easy just there is a property of mass and there is a property of weight just differentiate between them then you will get automatically the difference in the first point and that means in the case of mass clear just a minute yes in the case of mass the first point is it is the quantity of matter okay contented it is the quantity of matter content in a substance okay so total matter like it is a quantity of matter content in a substance clear next point that means in the case of weight it is the force of gravity it is the force of gravity experienced by the body here point number 2 here that means mass it is a constant quantity clear here it varies like it is a variable quantity 5 because due to existence of G. Here that means in the case of mass of a body can never be 0. Mass of a body is always positive, can never be 0. Clear? Again weight can be 0. Clear? When G equal to 0, that means in the center. Point number 4, it is measured by physical balance. That means mass is measured by physical balance or simple balance. Here spring balance or digital balance. Now in the point number 5, it is a scalar quantity. That means mass is a scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. Why vector? G is there. Again G is acceleration. G is a vector quantity. That's why weight will be vector quantity. And in the point number 6, the SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, the SI unit of the mass is kilogram, and here the SI unit of the mass is Newton. Clear? That is the force, na? That's why that is Newton. So that's all for today. That means today's discussion. So we'll meet in the another session. So till then, tata.